guys, welcome back to my video. So today I'm going to be showing you the cat stuff that I got for my 3 cats. So I got a lot of stuff off online for my cats, and there's a lot more, but I'll be showing you the things which we've opened so far. So first we have this little tent, and my cat Marshmallow is in it right now. This one is the smaller size. We have a bigger size downstairs that I'll be showing you. And then we have this bag where cats could go outside and it makes this noise. And it has catnip around it. And my cats like it a lot. And it's Oreo, like my cat Oreo as well. And then we have this water pool for the cats to play with. And there's like fishes inside. And then we have this cat scratcher. And then we have this cat scratcher as well with the ball inside. And this one they can scratch over here and then the top. And this is another tent, a different version of this, but they like this one better. And it has like a rat. It has like a rat and a ball to play with. And they can poke their head as well outside while sitting inside. Guys, look, they're looking at this toy. And all 3 of my cats are here, and if you're new to my channel, these are my names of my cats. His is Oreo, and this one, his name is Marshmallow, but in my language, I call him Bubbaloo. That means fat and like chubby and cute as well. And then this one is Cookie. All of my cats run up to me after school because they're always waiting, because I always play with them, and then I always play with them with their little toys that I got, because we have a lot down that are their toys downstairs. These are 2 full bags of cat toys and necessaries for cats, and I'll be showing you that in my next video. But I will be showing you right now, in a bit, all the toys that are downstairs that we put right now. This is my cat Cookie. As I said before, she's a ragdoll and Siberian, and she's a female. This is my cat Oreo, and he's a Turkish Angora. And this is my cat Marshmallow, aka Bubbaloo. He's a British short hair, and his breed is really cute because they're really chubby. When I got all 3 of these cats, I got them different periods of times, but it's almost been 2 years I've had them, and I got all 3 of them when they were little babies. I got them when they were 6, 7, 8 weeks. And then we have this at the door, and my cat Oreo loves playing with this because it's at the door and he loves grabbing it. And this is my cat room. We had more toys, but I put them in the other room to show you. And this is the cat tree. And this is their whole separate room. This is the water fountain that we put downstairs so the cat can drink from. I got these high bowls for my cats. And I ordered a lot of tents. They're all different shapes and they're like tunnels. And then we have this hanging toy which my cat Oreo likes a lot. And this is my cat Marshmallow sitting in one tent. This is one of the tents and it's shaped like an X. And this one is shaped like a cube. And as soon as I placed it down, my cat went in it. And then my cat Oreo is sitting in this one, which is just straight. And then my cats were playing inside of the tunnels. I was dragging my cat Marshmallow in this tunnel. All three of my cats like these tunnels. They kept playing in them, and they played in them for a really long time. And I got this toy and it's automatic, which runs around so my cats can chase after it. In this video, I showed you all the things that I got for my cat. I got them so many tents and so many more toys, which will be coming in the next video. And I've showed you my cats and other stuff. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye!